I'm Adrian Murray, and I'm standing outside Access Storage at 20 to 3 in the morning. There's a huge noise going off. You can hear that alarm. It's very, very loud. There's absolutely nobody doing anything about the noise. I don't know whether the place is being burglarized. This place is a massive blight on our neighborhood, and it's an absolute disgrace that our corrupt council does absolutely nothing about it. And I speak as a conservative, but these people are just beneath contempt. This is a wretched phenomenon that happens regularly here in this part of Fulham, and it's completely unacceptable. And these people have given, the council has given permission for this huge, ugly storage facility which blights the neighborhood to be actually expanded to about twice its current size. And it is a menace. I've already tried to ring the local council hotline, the noise hotline. That's a fatuous exercise for local idiots. This is a really unpleasant thing. I would imagine that most people are going to be horribly woken up if they haven't already been. It's now 2:45. I'm going to go and get the police, actually.